Good morning, students. Now we are going to learn about external storage devices. Computer memory is the storage area of the computer. It is any kind of hardware which store data and instruction for the computer. They are classified into two types, internal memory and external memory. While the prime memory is accessed directly by CPU, secondary memory is backup memory used to long-term storage of data. Its key characteristics are: it is slower than the primary memory, the data is stored permanently, it is used to transfer data from one computer to another. There are many different types of storage devices such as floppy drive, CD drive, tape drive, etc. The earliest computer storage device was actually punched card made of paper. We are having storage devices like magnetic, optical, flash memory devices. Let's look at each one of them. Magnetic devices include hard disk, floppy disk. Hard disk is stored inside the computer and portable hard disks are also available. Inside the hard disk, there is a spindle which holds one or more rotating disks called platters. These disks are coated with magnetic material. These disks have a magnetic head which is used to read and write data on a disk. Floppy disk was used to transfer data between computers. Computers have a floppy drive into which floppy was inserted. They are used to come in two sizes as data capacity is much less. Pen drive is now become more popular. Now, optical storage devices which include CDs, DVDs, Blu-ray discs. It uses laser and light to store data. CD stands for compact disc. They are portable. They can store up to 700 MB of data. They come in three types. First, CD-ROM called CD read-only memory, from where we can only read data. CD recordable, where data can be written only once and can be read multiple times. In CDRW or CD rewritable, data can be written multiple times. It is also known as erasable CD. Next, we will cover DVD. It stands for Digital Versatile Disc and its storage capacity is 10 times that of CD and 20 times faster than CDs. They come in three types. First type is DVD-R or DVD recordable, where data can be written only once and then can be read multiple times. In DVD rewritable, data can be written multiple times. Next is Blu-ray disc. Name comes from blue laser. It can store more data and hold 25 GB data per layer. There are dual layer, triple layer which can hold more data. Now come on flash storage. It contains USB flash drives, memory card, SD cards, etc. They are more popular as it is more cheaper, efficient and reliable solution. USB flash drive or pen drive is a portable memory storage device with the size of human thumb, which is connected with computer via USB port. It can store data up to 1 TB. It is compact, fast, convenient, so it is typically used to store and transfer files. Memory card is used to store photos, videos in camera, smartphone and game console. It can store 128 GB of data. SD Secure digital card comes in micro SD and mini SD size. Cloud storage, it is used to store data online and it is becoming more popular as people need to access data from more than one device. However, It is nothing but storing on network of remote servers, which are either magnetic or optical. I hope you understand external memory very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.